What's up, y'all? Happy Sunday. Listen, it's your girl Anise, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. Welcome to my channel. And if you are returning, what's up, y'all?
Turn me up.
I have been home. Today makes day 3. Okay, because why? North Carolina had a winter weather advisory, and I didn't want to be that hard-headed individual that don't listen, so I stayed home from work on Friday. So, did it snow? Yes. When did it snow? Late. Could I have went to work? That's still to be determined because it started, and I'm not sure if I would have finished the install, but if I had went into work early, if I changed that time, I probably would have. But it was rescheduled. So yeah, they got us all in a little frazzled state because that's what they do here, thinking it's going to snow real bad and everything going to be a mess. Now, granted, I am in Iredell County on the lake area, and it's a little worse for us. But y'all, it didn't do bad at all. Like what? It was just probably about maybe an inch. And yes, it did freeze over, but literally the next day it started clearing up. My front yard still has snow, I should say ice on it because there is no sun hitting my front yard. But baby, I don't know what else to watch on TV. I'm going crazy. So now, mind you, listen, I'll make y'all laugh. Y'all remember that Christmas tree downstairs? It ain't down yet. I could have took that down, but in my defense, yesterday I had a day off originally because it was my wedding anniversary. It was my 14th wedding anniversary. So hubby and I stayed in. We chilled, spent some time or whatever, watching TV, just chilling because we didn't want to go out and about in that nasty weather. So I didn't pick the camera up because I was spending time with my man. And that's that. So here we are today. What am I going to do today? My hair. So I am past due on my retie, y'all. Oh my God. My hair is so stiff because I'm so past due on my retie. I think my last retie may have been, let me see. I went to Barbados November 7th. It may have been a week or two before that in October. I am that stylist. Do as I say, not as I do. So yeah, y'all. I'm about to tackle this head, but I wanted to come up in here and open a vlog for the week. Listen, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, baby, to this channel. Okay, y'all. So I just finished my first section. Look at that. Nice and clean. I will tell y'all, I love when I first do my retie. I get a little drop. You can't tell me nothing. But y'all, I got about 2 locks that I kind of messed up. One is combined. Well, one is combined and one is a knot. I left them. When I get a little bit new growth in it, I can fix it. Because I was trying to speed along. And then that was it. That's why I cannot do this on camera. But I'm getting ready to pause right now. About to braid this side, pause, and get something to eat. I didn't eat nothing all morning. All I had was coffee. I'm getting hungry. I don't know what I'm going to eat. It's almost giving, I feel like I need to just cook dinner. I'm not doing nothing crazy. So yeah. Let me get something to eat because I'm starved. BRB. What's up, y'all? Today is Tuesday. Wednesday, January the 14th. I am on my way to work. I'm not sure if I picked y'all up right before the snowstorm or not, but it's been a rough couple of days. I don't even remember where I left off with you guys, but I was not feeling good. I think I may have told you I wasn't feeling good before, but this weekend was tough. It had that little fake snowstorm where it snowed really bad and turned into ice pretty much, and then it cleared up. In most areas, I will say in my area, if it was shaded area, it didn't really clear up that much, but for the most part, Charlotte was clear the next day. So, but I was home and almost feeling like I had like a sinus congestion situation. My head was hurting, my nose, like it was just pressure. So I was dealing with that, and I had been really pretty much like laid around all day. I still did not take down my Christmas tree. My plan was to take that Christmas tree down on, what was it, yesterday, on Monday, because Sunday was all about retying my hair, which I didn't finish. And actually, I think that's where I left off with y'all. I think I was retying my hair, and I don't know, I wasn't feeling great that day, but I wasn't feeling as bad as I felt yesterday. But yeah, yesterday I literally was on the couch all day. I didn't finish the 2 little pieces that I needed to retie with my hair, so my hair's in braids. But yeah, yesterday I was down bad, y'all, down bad. And I just said, F it. You know, when I'm not feeling well, I need to just rest my body, and that's it. Trying to do stuff just to be doing stuff, no. I'm to the age where if I don't feel good, I need to just relax, and that's it. So yeah, I didn't do anything yesterday, but today I have no choice. I'm on my way to work, because we do know what? I don't cancel people unless it's an emergency. So I feel good enough to get up and go to work, so here I go to work. But I do feel a little bit better. I took a BC powder, so I don't have like that headache or anything anymore, but I still have a little congestion in my nose. But I am able to breathe a little bit better. I think I really needed some fresh air, to be honest. You know, coming out in this fresh air makes me feel so much better. So yeah, that's the tea on that, y'all. What's up, y'all? Okay, I just remember I got this ginger boost shot. I had this in the salon, and it's supposed to, ginger is very healthy for you, so maybe I'll take this shot and it'll make me feel better. Like my stomach is queasy, all kind of stuff. So hopefully this will. Do y'all know how nasty ginger is drinking it? Oh God. Oh, so yeah. Woo! Wish me luck, y'all. Ew. I tried not to taste it, but I could. It burns. I took that much so far. Ooh, can I get another? Can I get the rest down? I can't do no more. I got this much. Ooh. Oh God. Lord, please let this ginger be worth the taste. Please help me feel better behind this, baby. Please, please, Lord, let me feel better behind this, because this is nasty. One more again, one more. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, this better make me feel better, because this shit nasty. Ooh, did I curse? Because this is nasty. This is gross. Gross. Ugh. Fingers crossed for real. But, yeah, I'm in here. Let me clean up. Okie dokie, guys. So I am done for the day. Getting ready to make my way back home. Had a great day. 3 reties and a consultation. Everything's straight. I was able to retie that one of the quadrants of my hair. I got one more to go. And yeah, that's it. So I feel a little bit better. I think that ginger shot I took this morning really hit the spot. It really did its job. So I'm tempted to go to Food Lion to get a couple more so I can make sure that I have one for tomorrow in the morning. Because yeah, that thing, I think that really made me feel good. Like my stomach is not queasy anymore, none of that. My headache subsided, but I don't know if it was between that or the BC powder. I don't know, but I feel a lot better. My nose clearing up. I feel good. So yeah, gonna head on to the house. Ooh, baby. But I can't shake this exhaustion, I tell you that. But yeah, I'm gonna head on home, and I probably won't talk to y'all till tomorrow, cause yeah, once I get home, I'm going to relax, get on the couch. It is currently 5:52. It'll be like 7 by the time I get home. So yeah, I probably won't be picking y'all back up. Good morning, you guys. Oh my goodness, what's up, y'all? It is Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. Forgot what day it was. Y'all, I'm feeling so much better. Let me tell y'all, I think taking the ginger shot yesterday at work really helped my body. Like, I feel like myself again. Oh my God. I know I was trying to explain to y'all how I was feeling, but baby, I'm feeling so much better. So yes, we're about to do it again, because last night after work, I did make a stop to Food Lion and picked up some more of these, and they actually 2 for $5. So I got some for me and my husband, and I also got some different ones like an elderberry and a little detox, kind of like detox my system a little bit. So yeah, we're about to take this ginger shot real quick. It's disgusting, I tell you, but I'm taking this and just ready to start feeling more energized and like myself, because when I'm feeling down, I can't create no content for y'all, okay? Like, I have no energy to do anything. I'm on the couch. I'm not even editing. I'm going to work and coming home. It's giving nothing. And, you know, I got some things I need to be taking care of. My skincare routine needs to be taking care of. My skin, my face is doing something crazy. I'm having breakouts, and my skin does not be breaking out. So I'm having like some peeling on my nose, my right in here is breaking out. So I know that's definitely hormonal. So I needed to go to Ulta and get some skincare products for my face. And yeah, get my whole life together. But yep, let me take this little shot. Oh, let me get some juice with it. Hold on. Because this ginger shot, y'all, is nasty. 100% gross. So, yeah, let's get it. Whew. Y'all already know. This is a job. Drinking ginger is a job. I don't know how people eat it. Ooh, they say eating it is much better. But, baby, I can't do it. I can't. Okay, let's get it. Maybe I could get it down in 2. Yesterday, I did 3. Let's try it in 2. Okay, girl, what? I did it. Ooh. I did it. I'm pretty sure I shouldn't drink something behind it, but the taste is so awful and it's so harsh going down, I have to. But yeah, y'all, I'm headed to work today. I got 2 clients today, so that's a quick day for me. I'm going in for 12 o'clock. I need to stop and get some gas. So yeah, let me get myself on the ball, and I'll see y'all at the shop. Good morning, y'all. What's going on? It's me, your girl Anise, and I'm back. Today's Thursday, January the 16th, guys, and it's still freezing out here. It's 30 degrees today. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, y'all know, y'all seen. I ain't been right since these temps been in these 20s and 30s. These temperatures are messing with my flow. I don't want to get dressed. I'm still out here bumming, y'all, throwing any and everything on. It's just been sweatsuits, sweatshirts, leggings. You know, I'm just throwing any jacket on. It's been this hat. It's just been, okay? I don't know what is with this freezing weather, but when I get up in the morning, your girl ain't down for putting together no cute outfit, no fit checks. I got nothing, okay? I got nothing. But you know what? It's cool, because when I'm ready to get it together, I do. But yeah, today I'm not rocking nothing. I got this little, this has been the this winter's, like, catch me out in Target, this Brooklyn sweatshirt. And I got these I got on some skinny jeans that are too big for me and my Uggs. This is what I got today. So, and I ain't mad. I'm good. But yeah, yesterday, y'all, I just went home and I just edited a video that's getting ready to drop today at 12. A little weekly vlog, a little day in a couple of days in the salon life, since y'all said that y'all wanted some more salon videos. But I would like to try to get some videos together that have my clients speaking on their hair experience, and also giving you guys some tips and tricks for microlocs. So those videos are in the works for sure. But yeah, I just went home last night, edited that video, and I went to bed. But yep, today's agenda consists of what I got going on. I got 4 clients today. Well, 3 and a possible. It sounds like spades, right? But yeah, I got 2 Microloc retie appointments. 1 regular client, she's getting a color and cut. And what else? And a consultation. So that consultation is the possible. So yeah, that is my day today. And I'm just pulling in now. But yeah, that's my day today. And of course, you know, I'm gonna take y'all with me. What I got planned after work today, I don't know. I'm hoping to be done with work. I should be finished by 5:30 today. So I'll figure out what my day will be like. If I'm going straight home after that, if I'm going to get something to eat, I don't know. But we're going to see. So let me get up in here and get my day started. I'll see y'all in the shop. As innocent as okay. I'll see you next time. All right.
Hurry up.